My video tutorial is about getting rid of the ransomware called Bgjs. Bgjs is a new ransomware belonging to the DJVU ransomware family. This particular ransomware is from the DJVU family, and it is called like that because it encrypts files and also appends the special Bgjs extension to the file names. My video, though, is strictly for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I'll give you some recommendations on how to protect your files. I cannot help you recover your files, but I will give you some recommendations about that in the end of the video. So before the ransomware's attack, you can clearly see that you are able to open the files without troubles. This includes pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Bgjs ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. This Bgjs ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably. As a consequence, it is impossible to use the data. The ransomware, as I said, appends a special Bgjs extension to the file names, and then eventually it is not possible to use the data. The ransomware also reveals a special ransom note where it indicates that users, the victims, need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This just does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money without getting your data restored. So do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. So get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and then start carefully researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of computer infections. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know where exactly those threats are located. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium. This way your data would always be protected. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to recover your data.